company that I did a bunch of work for that said they would pay me at the end of the month hasn't. You want to know why? Because their client hasn't paid them. And so they're making their problems mine. Welcome to the world of freelancing. And that's how it works basically. Because if I were to miss a deadline for them, I'd be fucked. They wouldn't pay me, they wouldn't do shit, they would never give me work again. But if they miss a payment deadline for me, well, we're sorry. We'll be in touch with you. We'll pay you before the end of the month. We promise. Seriously? 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 Fuck. That's what freelancing's all about, boys and girls. So, if any one of you wants to get into this glamorous line of work that I'm in, remember, that's what you're gonna have to deal with.
Hello, I'm an English teacher in Japan for junior high school. Today is the day of graduation. So graduators, I had four graduators. I mean, this year, 3 years ago, and 4 years ago, and 5 years ago. Maybe this is my last. They were my last students here. So today's ceremony is really special for me. I'll never forget. I want to teach English here forever, but maybe I can't. Please, someone who watched this video, keep in touch.
はい、なんか言って。
いや、言うことは何もない。なんだっけ。
何も言うことありません。お、剥がれそうじゃん。